when I begin talk about things where they happen, people say, he hates women, You know, so I don't ask them one day, bring one woman, wait till his side.
Okay, so over the years, Nedu, the society creates some terminology to shut some people up.
But not be me, you can't shut me up.
So the moment they use that particular terminology for you, the feel say you say, I don't want they tagged as this person.
Obviously, I don't want
narcissist, misogynist. But wait till be the other one,
misogynistic.
He get one again when they use.
You don't go call person narcissist if you never spend time with that person.
So that's where they don't understand the arrangement. So those terminologies they created to shut you up. So when you talk to them, that name they attach to you, instantly you want shut up. You know what made this you get, because now they go see you from that particular arrangement. But anyway, we love the work you are doing. Keep doing it, because every week we are waiting on a Monday. Today another one they come. The video never even lands. People don't choose side where they want belong to. Big shout out to Kanayo. We are looking out for that. Now 6 p.m. they drop, right?
6 p.m.
We they wait for every other thing where Kanayo talk. After that first thing when they talk, they know.
Yes. You see, Baba, in Nigeria, I'm sorry to say, in Nigeria, we don't necessarily see what is in front of us.
Wait till we did see, sir.
What thing we want to see now? What thing we want to see?
Yeah. So you might be find comfort in lies.
Yes, in lies. They find comfort in lies.
So now why you notice that? You see, our papa gets sense. You know what they do? They say truth is what?
Bitter.
Now we don't understand that word. You see that truth? If you knock me truth, say I would rather blow you.
Yes.
Because for me to swallow, I say no. I'm not. Because I'm not today comfortable with the lies I don't create for myself. And I saw every other human being. So you know, say recently this conversation of Africans or African nature or tradition marrying many women, I decided to delve into that. You know, say we they get this conversation since then. You don't ever ask, or anybody don't ever ask, what make us make that decision to marry many women? Nobody don't ever ask the origin of that. So over the weekend, now why you know that I took out my time to do. Yeah. Guess what? I want to point on 13. Where you say procession start from, Nedu? Not be Africa. Before you even make a guess. But where you say procession start from?
I don't know where it starts.
Roman Empire, Europe.
Yeah. Roman Empire.
Heavily
Roman Empire. Empire.
Make I take you back why Africans make the choice of marrying more than one wife. Years back, many years ago, why population start to increase for Earth? They had before it was balance of man and woman, but then they started noticing, more people started having more women, more female child compared to the male child. The Europeans sit down and say, what can we do to help this? They created a brothel. Not be so that they call it
a brothel.
Which is a prostitution hub.
Yes.
So the people who not find husband, they go end up
for the brothel.
For that apartment. Now why you notice a well-equipped apartment was built for these women to live.
Even if they demolish building, they need to demolish.
They're not about demolition. That's why it's one of the oldest trade.
Yes.
Why they were doing that? Africans sit down. They say,
we don't want to join this.
We don't want. They don't even know how can we solve this issue of this unbalanced numbers of gender. Instead of letting this one to die single, letting this one to become this. Hello, Adam Jem, let her have a reason to feel among. You see this is so. So why the Europeans they get solution of having their unmarried girls become prostitute? We decided to make our own wives. Because everybody was seen equal in the Africa sense of society. But along the line, where we did right now, we
don't go back to waiting the European people.
We don't decide get more prostitutes outside,
than have them home.
Inside.
But most people know this origin.
You see, that's
not because we don't wake up feel like say we needed to marry an extra wife.
So when are you marrying your extra wife?
You see, that's the problem. Becca, ma tell you, you wouldn't be the problem what you just do now. You just deflected.
I'm not
from the point when
listen. No. My problem.
Because they talk with so much passion.
Listen,
I need to know.
You deflected.
No.
Now make I also tell you what you do. we dey like externalize everything. We not dey internalize them, and we not dey show our own role for the thing, and we not dey listen to understand. We dey listen to reply.
Yes, to argue, to counter.
No, listen to understand where this man is coming from. How many Nigerians they do research? He took his time. You think say anything where I just open my talk? I just open my talk. No, I'm a broadcast journalist. Before anything, I do my flipping research, left, right, and center.
Yeah,
let me even shock you. Let me even shock you. In addition to this thing we in talk, cheating was never attributed to relationship
until 1930.
Until 1932. I mean
1932. 1932. Now be the official.
Now be the official time where they say okay.
The word cheating was only basically on sports.
It was never on relationship. But guess what? Even people where they hear us now, they don't want to hear the thing where they talk. They're not able to go. They want to take comfort in the thing where them believe say be the truth. Why you think say now when woman don't they old, when woman don't they go get when she do it, she don't they wiser. She'll come understand say all this is why they fight as a young woman.
There's nothing
there really.
That's how the life be. But when they younger,
they know they
the
youthful exuberance.
Exactly.
The word.
But when they don't they wiser, they know more. You understand? Because they say, why you think say we go on microphone? I go to discuss it. If your husband get another woman outside, you go leave. How many? Everybody will consider they go anywhere.
The real life people.
So who can they go? Now social media you go see them. Then you say, no. See, I'm not saying you should stay. I'm not saying you should go. All I'm saying is, even you will be man, where they enter into relationship with woman. Before you enter, say one marriage the woman, make them understand the kind of person where you be. And now they ready for the pretense of say, I go come get them outside. I come they pretend inside for you. I go bring and come inside though. By nature, see if the woman agree, hey, if you not agree. My problem now the ones when the business not go tell you, all of a sudden they go just come.
Or for some now when they die, when they want to inheritance.
No, they see it's
I mean that one not be true.
Those kind ones,
That's how they work now.
No. Those kind ones safe. I don't want to use the word respect because it means that they hide down well.
Yes.
For nobody to know. Those kind of people are emotionally intelligent. They don't want to bring and come.
They may also tell you a bitter truth too. And I go tap from waiting Abiola Pikin talk of recently. Waiting talk for that with Shane, right?
Yes.
He say if Papa get over 100 children.
When they can
say when time for when Papa then when time reach for sharing of property. This one they claim, this one they lay claim. What did they go do? They go run DNA test. So and I find that half of the children not be that children.
Papa,
so may I also take you back. See, all the things when we they regard as Africa, when we they shift, when we they turn our back on, because we they try one embrace civilization, which is a scam from this certain people. Now wait till they destroy us. May I take you back? If you bring Pikin come for an African man that time, say, oh, now your Pikin be this. Guess what? They're not the ask one or two. They don't put on. They don't put on.
Yeah.
Train up the Pikin because the sense of an African man was providing and protecting his own. Whether when the issue of genetic come for you, who said,
recently.
you know how many of us they race. I'm adding myself now. When we not be the son of the papa to
you
the
know
papa.
How many of us?
I don't know if you get.
I'm not saying I am.
I'm just telling you just to portray my point.
You know how many people will not be their papa born them until tomorrow nobody.
Some of the men know the moment your carry Pikin come. Hey, now your Pikin be this. Now you give me below. Because they can't for us. You don't put them for.
And you know another thing. This thing where you talk about we abandoning our ways and following the ways of the Western world. I go talk something. You see. This one not be slight to any religion. No, God forbid. I'm not slighting anybody.
No, those were tools to.
But you go open mouth. They say, "Saint, this one pray for you. Saint, that one pray for you." That saint don't know who you be.
You never know what that.
Now your grandpapa know you. Why you they think say when people die, then go always tell you say when maybe when they go almost to the great beyond, they can't come back. They always tell you they saw a family member.
Yes.
They see their grandpapa or they see their great grandfather, but you not gonna know the person until you see the person in the great beyond. You are connected to that person. You will know that person. Where you they go when you die? Get to they call Jogo for Ghana. Everybody get their own family house. But anyway, that's conversation for another day. Nobody want here. But make we dey honest. You now, you they demonize your ancestor. Say no. In 100 years you go die.
Who want?
Your
who you
great
want
grandchildren, will they demonize you? Will they demonize you? They're not going to. So imagine your great grandchildren come to demonize you now.
Say, oh, he Aaron big ways was this.
It was God forbid.
I don't want to
identify.
He ways are this. That's how ancestors of the feel now.
Exactly.
Just sit down and look our children. Oh, idiot.
And let me
This part deceive another dummies.
R&B. Now let me tell you what we don't know. Like I said, we don't see what is in front of us. We see what we want to see.
Yeah.
In movies, they are clearly depicting to you how afterlife is, but we're not the ones see them. When you die, you go to your family house. Everybody get family house in the great beyond. Why you think of a Black Panther when the guy was afterlife?
Yeah.
He went where he go. Now where him papa and great grandfather, all of them they trees.
Tap from her.
Now then come, this one come full on talk. This one come full on talk. All the lineage was there. You cannot come. You know your time. Yeah. Go back. You see, then they show you saying a lie. No, that is the truth.
And they help you shoot that movie, oh.
And they help you shoot the movie, oh.
That movie, oh.
But no, we want the follow. Well, heavenly race. I don't go tired. Who don't go? Come back.
Wait till you whether that race.
See. Again, I go talk. I not try to talk say anything that lie, anything that true. I'm just telling you who we are. Africans now we carry spirituality. Religion was not in Africa.
Heavy.
It was spirituality that was here.
Spirituality.
Now spirituality we get. Why if they know say their own better pass us? Why then can't carry our artifacts?
Can I go put for their museum?
Can I go put for the museum? So why then go our great Benin kingdom? Go come all the things when we say we get for that place.
Nah, we they beg.
We they beg. Made them bring them come back.
They will start for us. Say we cannot take care of it. We say now their museum they equipped enough.
We go there. I go there sometimes. They try teach who you are as a person, whether you like them or not, whether you be pastor or not. You are just everybody. You are either from water, or you're from air, or you're from earth, or you're from fire. Whether you like it or not, that's your business. The sooner you realize that, and the sooner you tap into it, the better for your life. They do every movie. Why you just say they call them Avatar, Airbender, Earthbender, Firebender? They are the 4 elements of life. But like I said, we see what we want to see, not be waiting there in front of us.
Anyway, time will come, Sha. Maybe we'll wake up.
Baba, time not they come.
No,
the truth is, wake up. See me. Now only those way they are around me. Now they teach.
They do half of the things why I know.
And
now.
everybody where they are around me when I teach them, they are illuminated.
So hold on, they do. 5 years ago, half of the things why I know now, I don't know. I would. May you say 2 years ago, half of the things why I know now, I don't know. May you say I get my own self awakening about a year ago. You get now. There I started to raise some questions, and why I raise those questions, I go delve into, do some research, get to ask some certain questions, discuss with people. I started to get brother.
You see what we're about to say, not I'm about to say now.
Yeah.
Except now those way they okay today in the box. But if you're not okay to be in the box, this will create a great awakening for you. Your eye go open, you go begin search.
Yes, some people,
do you know that Adam is not the first man and Eve is not the first woman? How do I know Adam? You see, people know they ask themselves question. How do I know Adam is not the first man? Adam is only the man that was created in the image of God. Now, if Adam, as I say, Adam not be the first man, Eve not be the first woman. When Cain kill Abel, when the portion come out,
who you go marry?
No, forget who you go marry. Forget who you go marry first. What he beg God? Go to your Bible, is there. He beg God, say, I beg, put mark for me, so that when people see me, they're not go kill me. Who be the people? No, let's be honest. So now Adam give belly upon them. Who be the other man where come out machine gun? No, come upon them. Not 1, not 2, not 3. Have you ever asked yourself that question? Ask yourself.
So why?
When you go see the good and say, no, the things of God are a mystery. No, bruh.
So I think waiting religion don't help us do not to erase questioning. So anything that concerns religion, we can't question it. It is taking that it is the word. So you're not supposed to question. So even when we supposed to question,
do you know that? Do you know the Bible is not the word of God?
It's the word of men who say God talk to them.
God talk to them. Not be God come outside, can't tell you all those things where you see.
They do a lot
What do you
of
even
things
talk?
when
Okay,
not
okay. An example is Matthew, Mark, and Mark. The first three gospels. What do you call them? Mark, Luke. Okay.
Okay, Matthew, Mark, Luke.
Now, let me tell you how Matthew, Mark, Luke came. Do you know those Bible was written thousands of years after Jesus Christ?
The first Asian Bible, see, now Ethiopia now.
No, Ethiopian get the original Bible. 8 books of Bible. I didn't get the real books
not be
of
the
Bible.
extra one.
Forget all these ones. This one's not the
way
Bible.
you are talking about holy Christianity, not only Christianity.
I want to talk something. No, I want to talk something. You see that?
Now this thing they do. What they talk about?
Understand? You're deviating. You're deflecting.
As much as you're talking about Christianity.
See what you just do now.
Because not
see what you do. See what you just succeed in doing.
Waiting.
You see this way you do so. What you just succeeded in doing is dropping the whole conversation.
No, I'm not
Nobody
dropping
will get
the
power
whole
to talk about
conversation. I'm just
now,
saying not the only
you want more talk
Christianity.
about
Because if you guys can
imagine
talk
now
so
that
much
Matthew,
about
Mark, Luke, I want to talk again. I can't say it again.
No, you can't just
Because
be
you
talking
just
about only
deflected everything.
Not the only Christianity.
Okay, you talk about Islam.
I don't know anything about him. So that means if I do research towards Christianity, men are do research towards Islam
because
as well.
Nobody knows. Am I a Muslim?
Una not understand what happened
You're
now.
not a Christian either. So do
happened
your
now.
research on Islam as well.
Una not understand what
So
happened
talk
now.
about it too.
Una not understand what happened now. This question which see the thing which is why I say listen to understand first.
I'm not saying I don't understand, but I'm not saying that's not the only religion we're performing. Not the only religion now. Sure. Not only Christianity now they talk about. Why aren't you talking about the other religion as well?
Okay, why you want more talk about the other religion?
Because not the only Christianity with the
okay, wait till I want more talk about the other religion.
Wait till I find out research. Wait till I find out from the research.
Because I never research, so my major focus is where I'm coming from.
Trying to research so that you can balance it up.
Why you know want to hold on now? Why you know want to do research on that?
I research on other stuff. I don't research on religion. Not be my forte.
So you can't want make me can't go research on that one.
Because you said you researched on religion, so try and balance it up.
My balance.
Yes, balance them up now.
For your mind, you get points.
No, you know because they talk about only Christianity. You know, don't talk about Christianity and traditional, right? Talk about Islam as well. Maybe balance them up. Not just Christianity.
They do can't finish your point. Leave Becca distraction. Can't finish your point. More ramp up.
Distraction. I'm just asking a question.
They do finish your point. Finish your point first. Finish your point. Finish your point. More hear you.
In what she dey talk. There are times to say some things.
But you've been talking about Christianity for a long time. Not be today we dey do across the bit where we say now Christianity, right?
Wait, now let me do finish a point. May we use our wrap up. Me do finish and first finish. I want to hear the end. You know, say when it comes to that Bible, me I know they read that Bible. So
but you
do
do research on top am now.
I know they do research
on Christianity.
I they do.
But Bible na Christianity now.
You still they argue.
Bible is not Christianity.
So waiting be.
There's no word Christianity in the Bible.
Not be Bible that they talk about.
There's no word about Christianity in the Bible.
They do finish that talk. I want to hear the end of that talk. Now that one concerns.
What are you trying to talk now? Say, see for the beginning of that talk. Let's take for example.
Yeah.
Say Becca. I mean the gospel.
Yeah.
What would they talk about? If you go to the book of Matthew, you see the gospel of Jesus Christ according to Matthew. That's how it's written. Now, let me tell you how Matthew come about. Matthew told say, Becca na my gene. Where would they every morning with the radio? Where she go from radio, she go gym. Now my gene now he writes book about her. OTB come as I say, Becca, where we go secondary school together. Ingo can write the gospel of
OTB.
Becca according to OTB. Then Kudus come and say, Mommy, they open gates for Becca every morning, huh? Even weekends, we should not work for radio. So I know her movements. The gospel of Becca according to Kudus. No, almost all of them get
they led with spirit
so to speak. Why you think even their revelation about what Jesus Christ talk for Bible for cross for the last time? It did different. This one talks Jesus Christ talk say This one talk say in your hands and commit spirit. This one talk say which one he really talk. That's all I have to say.
Probably they have different experiences.
Yeah, they say not be different. Not be the same Holy Spirit meet them.
I get with you. The kind relationship where I get with you, not be the kind relationship.
So I think to buttress with you,
right?
you remember during the 2018 general election, abi 2015. One man of God say God tell him make he run. Then another man of God tell him say God tell him make he run. Then another set can support another man when God tell them say make them support. So in as much as na one God, there are different spirits who they communicate to different human beings.
And then
for
there's different gods. There's one general creator. The same God. The God where hunter they pray for is different from the God where animal they pray for. They pray to.
No, do I never go far? You they take me go far now.
Okay, now let me
I know there is a creator.
There's a general creator. Now, okay, your God is different from my God. My God is different from Becca's God. Then why they go tell you, Igbo people go tell you, go and pray to your God. Then why even for American move when they fight, they will say for you to win, you have to channel your inner chi.
Okay, so what I tend to understand from what you did, and I say from my own side, I say now one see there's only one creator.
Time don't reach to move from Christian to now. Let's move to Islam. I know.
No need.
So then the point where Becca they try push.
Need.
We can freely talk about Christianity because there's no repercussion, but we can't talk about Islam because when you talk about them, those people can go extreme limit. So I talk about them now because you don't get mine. Now what you try push?
No, the way they try push.
But
Wait.
The truth now.
Quran too has a lot of bad books in Quran as well. Just like Christianity has Bible when I research on top.
Now they talk.
No, if not be research on top Bible and one I no research the other one too. So you could stop making it look like say now only Christianity be the religion where we they perform for Nigeria. Now Christianity, Islam and tradition. So you guys talk about tradition and this thing, but you not talk about the third one. That's what I'm saying. Make I do the research, join, make it complete, balance them. If I get my balance them. Because they open my
balance for your daily tasks. Want to create stunning presentations, generate text and images